So her topic is using DMAIC and Six Sigma tools in business improvement projects. In my belief, companies or business organizations actually improve for mainly two reasons. The first one is that they have an underlying core value of striving for excellence in everything that they do. Or the second reason might be is that they are threatened or they fear being booted out of existence because of competition. Whether it's nice to admit or not, I guess most companies strive for improvement because of the second reason. I don't know if all of you are of the same age as I am. That means that you're still young. And you might have experienced the days wherein the telecom industry in the Philippines was actually government-owned and monopolized by PLDT. And I could still recall those days wherein the service of PLDT was actually just plain lousy. But once the government privatized the company and opened the industry and allowed competition to come in, you actually could see, on hindsight, the leaps and bounds by which PLDT improved. So if you compare PLDT like way back during the 1980s and PLDT right now, it's a totally different company. If you think about it, it's actually the competition that spared that change in PLDT. And competition, though may be threatening if you look at it, has a great way of unlocking the potential of what a business organization can be. And if you look around you, I think it's not only in the telecoms industry that you see such stories, but also across different other industries, not only in this country, but in different countries as well. Because if you don't keep doing it better, definitely your competitor will. So success, even survival in today's global marketplace hinges on the organization's ability to improve everything that it does. All of us actually hold two concurrent jobs in any position that we are put in. So it might be obvious to you or not, but in reality, we are not actually just doing things, we are not actually just doing tasks, but it is also of a valid expectation from us, from our employer, that we not only limit our tasks to doing, but also to improving. But you see, the competitive landscape that the different industries belong to right now is changing the proportion of resources or the proportion of time that is allotted to each type of this task. Like 10 or 20 years ago, you would actually say that majority of your work would be